will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Simcity app. So all you have to do, so you just click it on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, and here you're looking for Simcity app. We just click on search. Then here add here Simcity. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. And here you search here for Simcity. It's going to show for you like this. We'll find their update. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.